let's try this one. So yeah, I choose smile because I always choose to smile. um, Super cute. Better to the. So good. Nice for the green tea. Yeah. Thank you, Almare. I love you. No. And the other side, you know, guys, is always have a present for me. Anywhere she go, she have always a present for me, and I do love it. I do really appreciate it. I love you, anak. May Monica, ha? I am a fan of cookies. That's why I love you. Thank you. The next na comments and share